YouTube and all y'all fans and jazz. For all you newcomers, this is the Savannah and Amber show.
Technically, it's the Amber and Savannah show, but you'll see
This is our show.
And today we're actually doing the very first message that we got from a pretty nice guy that it seems. What's his name again? MMK?
MMK. It's like 7-0.
789? 7890?
7908.
Okay, so we're gonna finish this.
Yeah, anyways.
Okay. He wanted us to see if we could sneeze without closing our eyes.
Sneezing with our eyes open.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is, Savannah, could you get the pepper?
Alright then.
We put pepper in a styrofoam cup. Oh my. And we put 2 straws in the styrofoam cup. Can I see the cup?
We tried this before we started filming.
It's very dangerous. Do not do this at home. Seriously, don't. It really hurts bad. Savannah tried it. How did it feel?
Like all hell broke loose on my nose.
And it hurt your head really bad. Don't suggest this experience, right, Savannah?
No, do not try this at home.
So you're gonna take pepper? I'll go first. Yeah.
Oh. Are you okay?
No.
I know, right? Okay. Alright, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do my left nostril this time. Are you okay?
It feels like I have to sneeze, but I can't.
It's like way up there.
Excuse me. I gotta...
Ow!
Go to the bathroom. Savannah inhaled a whole bunch of the pepper, and it sticks your nose. Oh my god, this burns so bad. Sorry, MMK, there's gonna be no sneezing here.
This came out of my nose.
Oh, look at it come out of my hands. All that pepper. It hurts really bad.
So much.
Don't do this at home because it really hurts. Thank you very much for watching. Sorry, MMK, but it really hurt. Like, oh, really bad.